Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
Hi, my name is James. Welcome to the Project Search Open House 2021 school year. And I would like to introduce, you get to know a little bit of Project Search is about and meet the class of 2021.
Project Search is a 1-year unpaid internship. There are over 500 sites, and we are lucky enough to have a site at Johns Hopkins All Children Hospital.
Project Search is a partnership between Johns Hopkins All Children's Hospital, Pinellas County Schools, VR, and Progressive Abilities Support Services.
We have an ESC teacher and in the school system. Her name is Miss Jana. She's awesome. We have a skills trainer from Progressive Abilities that helps us learn job skills. She is super fun. Her name is Miss Jessica. We have a job developer named Corey from Progressive Abilities. He helps us get jobs when we graduate. We have mentors that are hospital employees that volunteer their time to help us learn the awesome skills.
We take public transportation through DART or PSTA to practice independence. Pinellas County Schools pays our fare, and VR and PASS help us prepare our applications. At first, I was nervous to write DART, but now I am happy to get to and from Project Search independently.
Once we come in, we gotta make sure we sign in our name and the date, and make sure we here on time.
When we come in the morning, we gotta make sure we prepare and hygiene's up, and we fashionable and appropriate. We make sure we get our name badge on. Put our name badge on. We come in.
At 8 o'clock, once class begins, Ms. Jan and Ms. Jessica will teach you how to different job resume skills and lessons on inclusion and self-advocacy.
In class, we learn social skills, time management, interview skills, resume building, self-advocacy, and self-determination.
We also learn goal setting, professional communication, and a lot more in class. Class is also the place where we get to support each other, encourage each other, and our teammates. We're family. We are family.
At 8:45, it is time to go to our internships. We begin our unpaid internships at 9 a.m.
In Project Search, we get the chance to try 3 different internships. Each is 10 weeks long, and we call them rotations.
Food service, we intern in hosting a patient trade line. We prepare food, stock food and supplies, sanitize and disinfect cafe dining areas, check orders for accuracy, and serve staff and patient families. We especially like making smoothies and milkshakes for patients.
SimLab is our newest internship, and it is so cool. Sim stands for simulation, so we work with medicines to help doctors, nurse, police officer, and family members train for emergency situation. We sanitize rooms. Mannequins also get to work on computer skills. This rotation, my mentor taught me how to make bruises with special effects makeup. I tricked my teacher with it. It was amazing.
In China, we sanitize and disinfect toys, sort and distribute hospital donations like toys, beanies, and masks, clean, disinfect, and sanitize patient playrooms, maintain and stock pet therapy supplies, as well as supplies and donations for special events. We do whatever it takes to help kids have fun even while they're sick. We also work in OT, PT, and speech therapy. Here we disinfect and sanitize treatment areas, toys, and equipment. We also clean playgrounds used for therapy and help prepare therapy crafts, even feeding therapy items. Most years we assist a preschool class here, but it is on break at the moment.
We also have internship in EVS, which is housekeeping. Central Distribution Gift Shop.
PACU stands for Post Anesthesia Care Unit. It is where patients recover right after surgery. In this department, we work with nurses to make sure hospital equipment is sanitized and patients have everything they need to recover. We love bringing them ice pops and drinks to help them feel better.
Like any job, we have a chance to take our lunch break, and it's great to spend time with our mentors and teammates.
At 2 o'clock our day is over and we finish in our classroom. 1, 2, 3, we're gonna rock this!